Hey guys, this is going to be a different type of video. It's going to be a chatty video where you watch me prep my daily pages for a new week. So if you have anything to do around the house, you have laundry, you want to clean a little bit, or just sit down and watch me put these pages together and share a little bit about myself, you have come to the right video. So I am going to just jump right in and start sharing a little bit about myself. I have done a few like introduction posts on Instagram, but I've never really done anything like that on YouTube. And since this is a video platform, I figured it would be fun to do a video where I just do something that is very self explanatory and just share a little bit about myself. Okay, so let's begin. So, if you don't know me, my name is Rebecca, and I have been planning officially in a paper planner since 2018, but I've always had to write some form of lists to get through my day. I was an assistant director at a preschool before I became a homeschool mom, and I remember having the need to always have one of those yellow legal pads. I know, guys, right? Like, who uses that anymore? So, one of those legal pads, the yellow ones, bright yellow. It's not even neutral yellow, it's bright yellow. So, I would have one of those, and I had it filled with to dos after to dos after to dos. And that is the only way that I was able to get through my day. So, I do think that, in some way or another, I've always been a planner, but I officially opened my Instagram account in 2018 when my husband just suggested that I go ahead and open an Instagram and start sharing my planner with the world. And I thought that, no one was going to be interested. So I'm like, no, why? Who cares what I'm doing in my planner? So I opened the account, and funny story, I did not come up with the name. He did. So Eat, Pray, Plan was all his idea. And I've loved it ever since. I think it was a great idea. And here we are. All these years later, I am loving sharing my planner. I appreciate each and everyone who watches my videos, who sends me super sweet messages and comments on my posts and videos. It has definitely become a creative outlet I didn't know I needed. So that is kind of how, I got my foot in the door in the planner community. And then I started using the Happy Planner. And I started actually with a mini happy planner without even knowing that it was a mini happy planner. And then, out of necessity, I went ahead and I purchased a teacher happy planner. So that's the year that we started homeschooling. And I'm going to jump back and forth between like planning stuff and personal stuff because it's all like intertwined. So we started homeschooling, and it wasn't something that was in the plans. It was kind of, I like to call myself an accidental homeschooler, because even though both my husband and I have background in education, we both met as behavior therapists for um, children on the autism spectrum. And then I went ahead and worked at a preschool as a teacher, and then I got promoted to assistant director, and then he went back to work at his high school. So he worked there for 5 years. So we both had experience in education, and that's both of our degrees. We got our bachelor's degrees in that. So we had plenty of knowledge as far as how to, educate children. But when it came to our own, it was a little bit terrifying, just because homeschooling was definitely a uncharted territory for us. But, 6 years later, it has definitely been a huge blessing for our family and for our kiddos, and we do take it a year at a time. So every year we kind of reevaluate where our life is and our kiddos are and what's the best for their education and for our families. So yeah, it's just that's just a little bit about our homeschool experience. And then oh yeah, so then moving back to the planner, right? I found the Happy Planner because I needed a homeschool planner because I was starting to homeschool our oldest. So he was starting first grade, and I had my second one already. He was a baby, and I needed a planner. And I bought the Happy Planner and I fell in love. I stumbled upon some YouTube videos on the Happy Planner and went down the rabbit hole, and that was the end of that. I fell in love with stickers. I had no idea that it was a thing that people decorated their planners with stickers, even though when I was growing up, I loved collecting stickers. I would buy the sticker sheets and then take them off the sticker sheet and put them in a sticker book, obviously. So I had a ton of stickers, and I've always loved stationery. So when I saw that really cool adults were doing this in their planners, I'm like, yeah, those are my people. And I've loved the planner community ever since. So then I was trying to just kind of figure out how to homeschool our boys and still find something, find time for myself and still find something that I enjoyed. And I decided that I would make it my own personal goal to be part of the Happy Planner Squad. And over the course of a year, I worked, hard on my account and just on creating relationships, and I applied to the Happy Planner Squad, and I got accepted, and I was part of the Happy Planner Squad for a full year. It was such a fun experience. And then I decorated my spreads every single day. But then I just it came to a point where I was a little stickered out, and I found the minimal planner community, and it was awesome. I didn't again, I don't know why. I never like thought to just research different types of planning styles. I guess because I had just fallen in love with the Happy Planner and I really fit in, and it was just something that I needed at that time. But then when I needed the minimal planner community, I found the minimal planner community and fell in love with it, just like with the simplicity of it, and found some amazing friendships and have loved it ever since. And I started off in rings, and then here I am in a book bound planner, and I am just loving it. I do think that right now I am just, transitioning, or I'm in between. I'm in between a decorative planner, I guess, since here you see me, I am like all putting a ton of stickers on this page. I think it's a ton. To some people, this might not be a ton, but to me, this feels just like a lot of stickers. So I've always felt that I'm a little bit in between. And and I'm just really having a lot of fun right now, just playing with the Sterling ink stickers and decorating my planner and sharing with you guys. I do have to say that I went through a little bit of I don't know, like a hard time, I guess, with social media and just the whole, sharing my planner and planning and all that. I just felt that, social media had kind of just become something that I didn't want it to be. So I think that I am now finding my way back, and I am really enjoying it. So yeah, I just, this is a little bit about where I am right now. I am, I'm still homeschooling our boys. We have two kiddos. My husband works from home, and I homeschool the kids. So that is, that's what we do, and that's what you see me share in my planner. And I love having this space. I love being able to just spend time with you guys and create friendships and connections and just have a lot of fun with this hobby. So this is it, you guys. I just wanted to share with you how I set up my daily pages. I do this every Sunday, and I've been doing it since I started using the Cousin, and I just set them up very easy, very simple. That way in the morning when Monday rolls around and I need to start writing my to-dos and journaling, I don't spend time with the stickers and I just go ahead and start writing. So this is my little, this is Sunday when I am putting these pages together. So it's just, a quick little Sunday routine. It is something that I really enjoy doing, and I am so happy that I was able to just, share a little bit about myself and about my routine with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new about me, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me, for hanging out with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye, guys. Stay safe and healthy.